I've not been studying your YouTube analytics closely to know the right time they are supposed to post, the right people that are watching you, and what time you are supposed to upload your videos, which particular gender are actually watching your videos. Are your videos mostly viewed by male or female? If you're not doing all of these things, I bet you're actually doing the wrong thing. This is the only thing that can actually help you find the right video for your right audience, okay? And this can actually help you to know what kind of content you are supposed to be creating. Are you creating the wrong content? Are you creating the right content? That is everything that we're going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to check the time that you're supposed to post on YouTube. Secondly, what countries are watching you on YouTube. Thirdly, which gender and what age are watching you on YouTube. So if you don't know how to check all of these, I'm going to be putting you through. With no further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, I hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, let's just dive right into this video. The good part of this video I'm going to be doing today is, even if you're using your desktop version or your phone, you're actually going to be using this to get what you want to get. So right now I'm using my phone for most of us that are using phones. So guys, all you need to do is to head to your YouTube studio, okay, be it the desktop version or any type at all. So I'll be using my normal studio, okay. So if you click on it, this is going to give you an interface. So this is my other channel, but this channel is not monetized, okay. So it's going to give you this interface, and then the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on analytics. So once you click on analytics, you're going to be seeing overview, content, audience, and every other stuff here. So all you need to do is to click on your audience, okay. Once you click on your audience, you're going to be seeing returning viewers, which is 180, and of which you're going to be seeing the graphic that is telling you if you're doing well or you're doing bad. You can see that from my graph here, it started very slowly and the graph just picked up during my period of consistency on this channel. And yes, right now you can see down here, you're going to be seeing Monday, Tuesday to Saturday to Sunday, and then you're going to be seeing that 12 a.m., 6 a.m., 12 p.m., 6 p.m. So these are the time that my audience are usually online, okay? So that's what you're seeing, and you can see my local time at the up of it there, okay? And then you are going to go down, and then you're going to check the age, which is the age that are actually watching, and of which for my own, I have age 13 to 17, 18. I have like all the age here watching me, and of which is something to be really proud of myself on, okay? And then for the genders that are watching this video, both male and female are actually watching my videos, because this is like a general analysis. This is not like just coming from one particular video and the rest of that. And then the geographical locations that are watching the video, you can see that Nigeria is my 247 go-to. That is to tell you that if your viewers are mainly for Nigeria, if you post videos back to back, like from the period of 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9, you are going to be getting more views than usual, okay? And then you're going to see United States is my second country, Ghana my third, Senegal fourth, United Kingdom, Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, South Africa, Rwanda, and what? Tanzania. So these are the countries, the topmost countries that are actually watching me. What I want to do now is to pick out from the 3 topmost countries that are watching you, and then check the time for Ghana, check the time for United States, check the time for Nigeria that is actually linking to your own time, okay? So for someone like me that is having Nigerian, and for this channel is a gist channel, okay? I do like all these gist, latest gist that's happening, trending, and the rest of that. So I am going to be posting on this channel 6 p.m. okay? Every 6 p.m. the videos of this channel will actually go up on this channel, okay? So, and one good thing is, if you want your audience to actually know the specific time you are posting and the specific audience you are posting, so that they can actually come back to give you a good viewer's description, you need to make sure you stick to one particular time. If you're starting 6, continue 6. If you're starting 7 or 8 or 9, just know that within this period of time, if your viewers are mostly from Nigerians, they are going to be online. Well, I'm not saying to get work, okay? They are going to be online. And if you post videos within this particular time, this is going to do well. So, but if I post videos within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 during the afternoon time and the rest of that, the videos are not going to do well, okay? And yes, if you're sticking to this particular time, it is definitely going to help you, okay? You can check my videos since when I started becoming consistent of this. You can see this was the one I posted just 9 days ago. You can see the videos that I posted here. Even this video has already gotten 4,000 views because this video came at the same time. I make sure I post them at the same time. So yes, do this on your channel. This is how you are going to be checking how your audience are actually doing, and the time that you're supposed to post, the geographics you're posting for, and what kind of categories of gender are actually watching your videos. So since my videos are mainly for male and female, I'll focus more on creating more content that will drag the attentions of male and female. So if your videos is focused on female alone or male alone, I don't advise you that, okay, because it is good for you to do videos that can actually circulate to all of the genders, okay? But yes, if your videos is female alone, male alone, I'm not saying it's bad, I'm just giving like my opinion. I hope this video is able to help someone out there because I want this video to be short and quick. And yes, if it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you guys. Mwah.